Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. We have finally made it to the most feared topic in entire mathematical induction unit, that is inequalities. If you look at past examiners report, this is constantly the sub question where students drop the most marks. With standard series or divisibility induction, we have a clear algebraic target. You just make the left side look like the right side, but with inequalities, the equality ignore. You have to logically build a bridge using mathematical constraints, and most students get completely lost in the middle of the individual step. Today we are breaking down a classic exam level proof by I am going to show you the exact logical layout and the scratch pad trick that guarantees you to get full marks. Question is proved by induction that 2 raised to power n is greater than n square for all integers n should be greater than or equal 5. So there is the base case. Write the first formal setup on the left side of the. We will see that. Look at our condition. Notice our domain doesn't start at n equals 1. It shows n must be greater than or equal 5. This means our base case is already n equal 5. Let's evaluate both sides properly. So, in the left hand side, we will write 2 raised to power 5. That equals 32. Now, in the right hand side, we have 5 square, that is 25. So, 32 must be greater than 25. So this statement is true for n equals 5. Let's left hand side gives us 32 and the right hand side gives us 25. So since the 32 is strictly greater than 25, so our base case hold perfectly true. Always write the inclusion to scale your first structural marks. So this is the assumption. Now assume that we will write assume it is true for n equals k. True for n equals k where k is greater than or equal 5. This is the inductive hypothesis. Now prove for n equals k plus 1. So we must strictly prove that 2k plus 1 is strictly greater than k plus 1 whole square. So we have first of all prove that k plus 1 whole square that equal k square plus 2k plus 1. After this, we will apply this on 2 raised to power k plus 1. We get 2 into 2k. Then 2k is greater than, we know that this will become, our question will become 2 raised to power k plus 1. That equals 2 into 2 raised to power k. Since 2k is greater than k square and 2 into 2k is greater than 2 into 2t square, then we have 2 of k plus 1 is greater than 2k square. So we have successfully introduced that 2k square that will equal k square plus k square. So we have k square plus k square. We want to show that k square plus k square is greater than k square plus 2k plus 1. So let's think logically. If we know 2k square is simplify k square plus k square, our target is k square plus 2k plus 1. Both expressions share k square. So to prove the whole, we just need successfully how the remaining k square is strictly increasing or greater than 2k plus 1 and find all the values. So how we will solve this? We will solve this as k is greater than or equal 5. K square will be equals k into k. It will be greater than or equal 5k. Then 5k equals 2k plus 3k, and k is greater than or equal 5. It will be 36. 3k, it will become 3k, that equal 15, and 15 is less than or equal 1. So we have k square greater than 2k plus 1. So you can see how we have done this. This will be 2 raised to power k plus 1 greater than 2k square. It will become k square plus k square. It will greater than k square plus 2k plus 1, its whole square. So let's establish the final proof. So k is greater than or equal to 5. K square, which is its time, k must be greater than or equal 5k. We can split 5k into 2k and 3k. Break k is at least 5 3 times, at least 15, which is very greater than 1. So k square is granted to be strictly greater than 2k. Now you look back to the entire inequality and check 2k plus 1 is greater than 2k square, which is equal to k square plus k square. For this purpose, we just prove a greater, which factors perfectly our target, that is k plus 1 whole square. The logical bridge is complete. So if the entire series helped you feel more confident for upcoming exam, and please make sure by hitting that like button and subscribe to Math Solver 1117. Turn on all notifications so don't miss next deep dive mastering topic. Keep up the consistent practice. Keep your work neat. I will see you in the next series.